Hi, everyone. I'm Mark, markmathtutoring.com here. And today, I'm going to begin a series of short videos that I'll call Get Ready for Algebra. And these videos will cover math concepts that would be considered as important prerequisite skills for a high school algebra class. So I'll briefly present the concept along with some examples, and then at the end, I'll give you a chance to try out what you learned. Today's concept will introduce the difference between expressions and equations. So a mathematical expression is simply a combination of numbers, variables, and operators. For example, the number 5 can be considered a very basic expression that only has one number. But expressions can also include variables, which are simply symbols, most often letters are used, that can hold the place of a number that may not yet be known. So if we let the letter x be a variable, we can write the expression 5x. Now, when you see the number 5 next to a variable like this x, it means 5 times x. So another way to write it might be 5 little dot x means 5 times x, or you might see it with parentheses, 5 times x like this. But this is the most common and simplest way to write the expression 5 times x. Now, expressions might also include other math operators, which are simply addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So we could write the expression 5x plus 3 to include numbers and variables and operators with a single expression. With an expression, there's nothing to solve for, since the variable here could be representing a lot of different numbers. In order to solve for the number that a variable represents, we need an equation. So an equation is when one expression is set equal to another expression. For example, 5x plus 3 equals 8. Equation has an equal sign. Expressions have no equal sign. So in this case, now there's only one possible value for the variable x that would make this equation true. And that would be x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, we would have 5 times 1 plus 3, which is exactly 8. So in this case, x equal to 1 is called the solution to the equation. In upcoming videos, I'll show you how to go about solving lots of different kinds of equations. So let's scroll here and give you a chance to try it. Here are some expressions or equations. Pause the video and see if you can figure out which ones are which. Okay, expressions are the ones with no equal sign. So this is an expression, a plus b plus c. This is an expression, 3 times a. Equations are the ones where two expressions are set equal to each other with an equal sign. So these three are equations. So if you subscribe to the Mark Math Tutoring channel, you'll be sure to see other videos in this series to help you get ready for algebra. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.